Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your front audio jack not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing that I want to point out is that these jacks can suffer from damage and degradation over time with a lot of repeated use. So it's possible that it would actually need to be replaced, and that's really outside of the scope of today's tutorial. This is more of looking for a software potential solution. That's what we're going to be looking at in today's tutorial. So in order to do that, the first thing we're going to try is to open up the search menu, and you want to type in Device Manager. Best result, you come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the audio input and output section. Right-click on your microphone and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer-specific one unless there's only generic ones available, and then select Next. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And then you may also want to check if you have a different jack on your device or plug your headset into a different computer altogether and see if it's an issue actually with the microphone headset itself. It may not actually be a problem with your headphone jack on your computer. So that's just something else you want to take a look at. And then finally, something else we can look at if you open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result, you come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to large icons, and then you're going to go down and select Sound. You want to select either the playback or recording tab, so either the microphone or the speakers here. Select the device and then select Properties. Select the Advanced tab, and if you see an option for audio enhancement, you want to just disable it or turn it off. It should be underneath the playback item, so the speaker device. If you go underneath Properties for that, there's an item that says Enhancements. I want to go ahead and check mark disable all enhancements for that. If your headset had an option for that underneath recording, you can do that too. And then select apply and OK to save that, and then OK again. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.